FarmFresh Malaysia Berhad is leading dairy company that operate a fully integrated supply chain from its own farm to nationwide retail distribution. Officially founded in 2009 by Loy Tuan Ee, the company is headquartered in Johor and produce over 12 million litres of milk annually. The idea behind FarmFresh began with Loy's passion for agriculture and commitment to producing the purest preservative-free dairy using locally sourced ingredients. It all started with 60 Holstein Jersey cow from Australia on a plot in Johor, which marked the beginning of what would grow into one Malaysia's most trusted dairy brand. More than just commercial venture, FarmFresh also play a major role in rural development by creating jobs, mentoring local farmers, and promoting sustainable agriculture practice through the use of modern technologies like AI and IoT. FarmFresh offers a diverse product portfolio from fresh milk in multiple flavors like chocolate, banana, strawberry to yogurt and plant-based milk. All products are free from preservative and artificial coloring. The company target help consumer, family, children, and even vegan or lactose intolerant individuals through its clean and nutritious option. Competing with the brand like Dash Lady and FNN, FarmFresh has positioned its with strong market message, fresh, local and responsible dairy for all Malaysians.
Next, for supply chain management, we are looking at FarmFresh Malaysia's supply chain strategy. First, FarmFresh uses a vertically integrated grass-to-glass model, meaning they control everything from farming to distribution. This gives them a full control over quality, supported by food safety standards like GAP, GMP, and HACCP. Next, their hybrid distribution system combines supermarket with over 2,500 home dealers, which help them reach both urban and rural customers, while reducing the risk of relying on one single channel. FarmFresh also works with satellite farms under contract. These farms help ensure a steady milk supply and support local agriculture, while audits help maintain consistency and quality. However, there are challenges. Dairy products are highly perishable, so maintaining a strong cold chain is costly and requires constant monitoring. There is also the need to manage relationships with farmers and deal with unstable input costs like animal feed. To overcome these challenges, FarmFresh needs to invest more in digital technologies. This includes automation in processing and logistics, real-time cold chain monitoring system to ensure freshness, and advanced data analytics to improve decision-making in procurement, distribution, and inventory control. These tools will not only boost efficiency but also help the company to stay responsive to market demands and future disruptions.
So now we move to managing inventory. First up, raw materials. These are the unprocessed items you need at the very beginning of production. Think seeds, fertilizers, animal feed, crates and packaging materials. They are essential for starting the production process and making sure you get a consistent and high quality product output every time. Next, work in process or WIP. These are items that are partway through production. For example, washed fruits that still not sorting or meat going through pasteurization. It's the bridge between raw materials and finished goods, and managing work in process help reduce delays and keep production flowing smoothly. Now, let's not forget behind the scenes heroes, MRO supplies. These include things like tractor parts, cleaning agents, PPE, and lubricants. They don't go into the final product, but they are absolutely vital. Why? Because they keep the equipment running and protect your workers. A safe and functional farm is a productive one. And finally, finished goods. These are your ready for sale products. For example, egg cartons, packed vegetables or bottled milk, you name it. They are stored in warehouse or cold rooms until they are sold. Managing finished goods properly helps you prevent waste and maximize your own profit. So we move to tracking. Barcodes and RFID. Barcodes and QR codes help us track where each item came from and when it was picked and how it was handled. RFID tags are even more advanced. They send data automatically and don't be to scan by hand. This helps us manage large amounts of produce more easily and efficient. This tool supports full traceability from farm to table, ensuring food safety and building customer trust. GPS and IoT or Internet of Things. Sensor. GPS and IoT sensor monitor key conditions like temperature, humidity, and movement during transport. This ensures that fresh produce stays in the best condition and doesn't spoil before reaching customers. These technologies provide full tracking from harvest to delivery, helping us guarantee product purity. They also help us reduce waste and stay competitive in the fresh produce industry. In farm fresh operation, how we store products plays a big role in reducing waste and keeping food fresh. So the storage decision we use is the farm fresh use is FIFO, first in first out. With FIFO, we always move out the older stock first. For example, milk packed on Monday is sold before Tuesday's batch. This keeps product fresh, prevents spoilage, and ensures customer get high quality goods. We organize storage so the older items are always at the front and easy to access, set by Farm Fresh. So just in time GIT, for highly perishable items we use the JIT method. That means we only harvest or process what needs when it needed. For example, leafy greens are picked in the morning and delivered to store at the same day. This reduces the need for large storage space and saves on refrigeration costs. By using both FIFO and JIT, we make smart.
So my name is Ahmad Zakir Azim Muskuli. My matric number is 073141. So the decision making tool Farm Fresh Malaysia Berhad is currently evaluating in next move in expanding capacity to meet future market demand. To get this high stake decision, we apply AMV, EVPI and decision 3. Three company is weighed in three alternatives, which is scenario. First one, build a new facility. Second, expand current operation. And 3, do nothing. These alternatives are evaluated under two possible future market conditions, which is a favorable market with high demand and profit, and unfavorable market with lower demand and return. Based on market research, the probability of a favorable market is estimated at 0.6 and the unfavorable at 0.4. Here are the payoff result. You can refer at the payoff table. So this structure approach allows Farm Fresh to make a data-driven probabilistic decision under uncertainty and set the stage for deeper evaluation. So we go to next step. So the step 1 and step 2, which is find AMV and MPI. We start by calculating the AMV for each of three strategic alternatives that involve. This involves multiplying the payoff of each market condition by its probability, then summing the result for. You can refer. I calculate this data. Building a new facility AMV, we get 140,000 ringgit. Second, spending current operation AMV, we get 84 ringgit. For doing nothing, currently building a new facility provide the highest AMV and it's the most financially attractive option under current assumption. So we move to the second step, which is find EVPI. Now we evaluate the value of having perfect information. Knowing the future market condition is in advance. If the market is favorable, the best action is to book earning around 200,000 ringgit. If the market is unfavorable, the best action is still to book earning 50,000 ringgit. So the expected value with perfect information is 140 ringgit. We then subtract the best AMV without perfect information, which is also 140,000 ringgit. that give us VPI of RM 0 ringgit. This means that even with the perfect information, the decision will not change holding a university. Remain the best choice under both scenario. So, we move to the next part. Okay, now let's move to step 3. We will visualize our strategy alternative using decision tree. This tool allow us to structure the decision problem in a way that clearly display its possible outcome. It associates probability and the expected payoff. At the first level, we have the decision node where farm phrase must just choose one of 3 options. Build a university, expand career operation, and do nothing. For each of these choice, we branch out to the state of nature, the possible future market condition. Then you can refer decision tree that I provide. So the key decision MV, which is outcome, best decision, build new facility, expected monetary value, MV we got 140 ringgit. So the AVPI we get 0, which is perfect. Information will not change the decision. So our recommendation, complementary method signal analysis, stress test change in assumption. The second one is Monte Carlo simulation, which is a model uncertainty range. So the third one is real option analysis, preserve investment flexibility, and last one is stakeholder evaluation that align with ESG and social license to operate. Thank you.
Critical gaps in FarmFresh operation. FarmFresh shows strong vertical integration, but this also creates dependency risks, especially in cold chain logistics. The company hasn't implemented CPFR or VMI, which limits its ability to respond quickly to supply or demand shift in inventory. While they apply FIFO and GIT, there's no use of ABC or EOQ analysis. This opens up inefficiency and stockout risk, especially during peak season. Additionally, audit tools like cycle counting are missing.
Next, decision-making and strategic alignment issues. Decision-making tools such as EMV and decision tree are used, but a zero AVPI suggests overconfidence in their projection. There is heavy model multivariable risk like consumer behavior or input prices. From a sustainable view, there is no supplier development program or ESG reporting which limit alignment with value-based intermediation. In conclusion, FarmFresh has strong ground-level strategies but must improve decision tools, risk stimulation, and ESG practices.
FarmFresh show how strong operational through its integrated supply chain and quality system. However, its lack formal supply and chain collaboration, advanced inventory tool, and comprehensive decision model. To improve, the company should adopt CPFR, VMI, and ABC analysis with AI-driven forecasting and stronger ESG reporting. This step will boost efficiency, resilience, and long-term sustainability for FarmFresh Malaysia. That's all from us. Thank you.